All right, we're back here at Placerville Speedway. I got Peyton with me, and Ashlyn and Kylie are here as well, my 3 daughters. So hopefully they bring me some good luck tonight. It's not an extreme tour, it's just a regular points race here at Placerville. So we're gonna maybe try a few things and see if we can get the car faster, especially for next week. After that, we go to about Antioch for 2 more times. We got Marysville, and the season's kind of winding away. So anyway, if you can, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, comment, and Peyton, you got anything else you want to add?
It's gonna be a good day today.
It's gonna be a good day?
Yep.
Okay. All right, stay tuned. Here's a look at the track right now. It looks really wet, so hopefully it stays wet and doesn't go so dry slick like it always does. So we'll see. Anyway, got the girls with me rolling around. The one in the back doesn't want to be on camera, so this is for sure gonna be in it. The little one though, she's all about it. Hi Peyton. Ashlyn. All right, this is our pit area. If you notice, there's nobody here yet. Bunch of sprint cars, pure stocks and things over there, dwarf cars. But we always saving spots for the guys that pit with us. What's that all about? Okay, we got here a little earlier. They are actually racing golf carts now. That's the slowest drag race I've ever seen. Slowest race ever again. Who's gonna win? I don't think anybody won, really. There's a free battery if anybody wants one. Slightly used. 2009. It's still good. Alright, well, we drew 17 pill. We start outside row 2. Really a low car count tonight. It's not an extreme series, so a lot of guys, I guess, took the weekend off. So, but we're here. We're supporting the track, supporting the division. So anyway, we're watching Dirt Vision. So, watching that, waiting for our time to get called. Alright, we were second quick in hot laps, which means nothing really. Track's really rutted up, but there's some moisture in it. So we start 4th in heat race coming up just in a little bit. Only about 8 cars showed up tonight, like I said earlier. But anyway, car felt really good. Wasn't really giving it a hard, wasn't really trying to drive it into the ground for that. So let's see what we got. All right, take out the 3 and the 4.
Who's gonna draw?
Go, Kylie.
What?
You're drawing. Yes.
You do it? Just pick one ball.
One ball. 1.
2.
All right.
Oh!
Thanks, Kylie. All right, heat race is done. We picked up the win for the heat race, started 4th, and had a pretty good battle there for the lead. And then my daughter drew a 2 redraw. There's only 1 heat, so worst we could start was 4th, but she drew 2. So we start on the outside of the front row. We're just checking a few things, getting the nose all taken care of. Kind of got into Ricardo a little bit, but car looks good, it feels good, so we'll see what we can do. All right, looks like new again. wrap on the nights. Got second again and again and again. That's like 7 times this year. This race though, I led, what, 17 laps, as you guys saw in the video, and just lost the lead. Jinkerson got me. This track, he dominates. So, you know, it was a good run. We know we're fast. We're going to be back here next week for the Extreme Series. I'm not disappointed. It was a good points night overall, I guess, for here, even though we're not really running for points here. But Extreme Series next week. Be on Flow Racing. Come to the races, say hi, and if you can, it's free. Hit the subscribe button. We would absolutely appreciate it. Thanks for everybody that's subscribed already. And hit the like button if you like what you see. I do have these highlight videos I put out about maybe on every Friday or something like that. Just something I like to do. I enjoy watching racing, good finishes and things like that. So I put those together. Hope you guys enjoy it. And then we're going to continue doing this vlog here for our racing season. See you next time.